Hey crafty friends, want to know how to make a custom pillowcase with embroidery for that college dorm room? I'm Courtney Brickton with the Crafty Brick, bringing you crafty stuff without any fluff. So let's get to it. First things first, I'm using my Mighty Hoop hooping station. I got to lift the tab so that I can place the bottom of the hoop in the station, and then I put the stabilizer on, lock it in place with the tabs, and then I place my pillowcase on top. I find the center, put it on, and then put the top of the hoop on, lock it down into place because it's a magnet. It's super convenient. And now I need to put this on, but it doesn't fit. So I'm going to need to adjust my flat arm with a screwdriver. I just loosen it. I don't take it completely out. I loosen it and move it until it fits, and then I tighten the screws back up, and then I can put my hoop in place. Then we take the design. We're going to be using the 10 steps of embroidery for Ricoma. We're going to unlock it, and then we're going to choose our design. I've already put the design from my USB drive onto my computer or onto the Ricoma. So now I just need to find it, and here it is. I'll click OK, and then we're going to go back, and our next step is choosing the hoop. So now we're going to go down here, click the hoop, and I'm going to choose the 110 by 110 because that works really well with the 5.5 Mighty Hoop. Now it fits right inside our hoop area. Next, we're going to choose the colors. Let's click Escape, click Colors. We only have one color for this design, so I just click the one color, press OK. And then our next step is the speed. I'm just going to bump it up just a little bit to 700. And then I've already inserted the hoop, so I did that first, but that's okay. Now we're going to choose the location, and you can use these arrows to move the design where you want it to within the hoop. So you just move the arrows, and then that's where it's going to start and put the placement of the design. Then we're going to go ahead and lock it into place, push the lock button right here, and we are ready to start doing our trace. So we'll push the trace button and we'll pull down that number 1 needle just to make sure that we are embroidering in the right spot and we're not touching the sides of the hoop. Move it over just a little bit. Try one more time, make sure it is accurate. It looks good right now. And then we're ready to go ahead and push start. But, oh, wait. I realized just as it's starting to embroider that I didn't flip this design. I need to go ahead and flip it because I want it to be right side up on the pillowcase. So we go in here and click that F, the bottom F, so flip it around so that it's upside down. Whew, I'm glad I caught that before we started embroidering. So now we're ready to start embroidering. It's going to put our design right on our pillowcase. I used a tearaway stabilizer on the bottom here, and I'm just going to let it do what it does. I love watching this machine, and then when it's all finished, we go ahead and take it out. All right, we're ready to take it out. And look at that. All right, now we have a nice custom pillowcase to go on a college dorm room bed, and it's perfect. And we did it with our embroidery machine, and it didn't take that much time. Just a little update. You see this puckering. I've washed the pillowcase, and now it kind of puckered a little bit, and I think that it's because I used the tearaway stabilizer instead of a firmer. Probably the cutaway stabilizer would have been better in this instance. So that was it. Nice and quick with the Crafty Brick. If that's your vibe, hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay crafty, my friends.